this video, we will show you two methods how to increase WordPress memory limit. First, we can increase WordPress memory limit using plugin. Just log in into your dashboard and click Add New for plugin. Type memory info on search plugins. Then install this plugin. After that, you can activate. Now go to your settings or tools, select WP memory in here. Then you can click update WordPress memory limit in here. You can see there, our WordPress memory limit now is 100 megabytes. We can update via this. Now, our WordPress memory limit is 96 megabytes. The number second, we can update via our WordPress config files. Go to your wp-config.php and click Edit. Go to define db_colleagues and add this script. Now change, for example, to 112 like this and click Save Change. You can reload for this info. You can see there. That's our tutorial how to increase WordPress memory limit.